What's up, y'all? We got a brand new toy review, first look, quick reveal, whatever you want to call it. We have the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles villain figure 6-pack. So I'm really excited to open these up. Let's get into it. Okay, let's take a look. Wow. This is ridiculous. Never had this much trouble opening a toy. And this is on film and I got 5 more to do. Krang. I put his hands on upside down. Awesome. Got that. And now this hose. Where does the hose goes? Who knows? Yeah, he just holds it. That's weird. But that's cool. That's what Krang looks like. I'm gonna take a little break and start opening these guys and come back and we'll see what they all look like. See you in a second. Alright, so I got through Krang and I gave them all a good start. We've got Slash here. He looks awesome. If you vacuum seal it and vacuum pack it and if you vacuum form the toy in place, why do you need all of these twist ties? Why? Let's get them set up. Yeah, the colors look good. It looks like what I remember. See if we can get him posed. He's got a lot of weapons. So for these other guys, I already took them out of the package because it takes a long time on video. We have Baxter Stockman, the Fly. He looks awesome. See, him's bigger than the original. I remember having the original. And also his wings, they kind of slide in and out. I kind of remember the other ones as just like having a hole and a peg and sticking on. And they would always fall off and break. But yeah, he looks great. He's got this weird fly swatter weapon. Sweet. This guy looks awesome. The foot soldier. He doesn't want to stand up, but he looks great. Yeah, I really like the way he looks. Those eyes, the yellowish green, and the purple looks dope. And these are his weapons. Who's next? Rocksteady. I remember this guy. Yeah, he looks awesome. He looks a lot like the original. Yeah, a little bigger, a little more detail in the face. But he has the same belt. I thought it was different, but then I remember once I saw the back that he had a belt like this. He looks sick. He stands up. Came with our sewer lid. Dope gun. Knife. I should have done this off camera. And we have number 6 over here. He looks dope, but the colors look different than I remember. He looks, I think, a lot more detailed. And I don't think he had green teeth when I was a kid. Maybe. He's got a different style knife. Oh, he's got a garbage can shield. Is this a shield? Oh yeah, that's a sewer shield for Rocksteady. There we go. But that's the villain pack. For the hero pack, well, the sewer layer pack that I already opened and did a quick look, I'm just going to open them 2 at a time coming up in future videos, because 6 at one time is really long, and I feel like you're probably bored if you stayed this long. I mean, thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.